Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a Musketeer from Clash Royale. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the eye. So I'm going to move over towards the left side and draw on the lower edge of the eyebrow. So we start on the outside, we're just going to curve down and then in. I'm going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the inside, draw a curve going up and then out. On the inside I'm going to draw two short angle lines coming in towards the center. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with the outside with a curve. So we'll start on the outside, curve up and then down. Now I want to tuck the iris and pupil underneath the eyebrow. So it's a half circle starting on the left side. I'm just going to curve down towards the bottom and then pull that up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now on the left side we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight, starting on the left. And then on the right, this is going to get tucked in underneath the eyebrow a little bit further, so about half circle. Now in the middle of the iris, we're going to draw a smaller half circle for the pupil. So we're going to start at the bottom of the highlight. We'll go around and then up. We'll fill that in black. Then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the sides of the iris, we're going to draw a curve coming down and out for the eyelid. And then I'm going to draw on the lower eyelid underneath the eye. So from the left side, we're going to step in to create a little overlap, go underneath the eye, and then we'll pull that up underneath the eyebrow. Now in the middle, we're going to step down and draw on the nose. So starting from left, we're going to curve down and then back up on the right. Now we're going to shift the mouth over towards the left. So starting on the left side, we're going to curve down and then in towards the middle. Let's give her some lips. From this top point, I want to curve up, down, and then across. Now let's draw on the lower lip. From the left side, we're just going to curve down, and then back up on the right side. On the left side here, I just want to draw a little bracket, a little smirk line. Okay, so now that we got the face, let's draw on the bottom edge of the helmet. So in the middle, we're going to step up, draw a point. From here, we're going to curve down and out towards left, just above the eyebrow. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the ends, I want to draw two short lines going up. Now I'm going to follow this curve all the way back towards the center, but I want to leave a gap in the middle here. Starting on the left. And we'll go up, again leaving a little space in the center. We'll move over towards the right, curve down towards the right side. Now we just want to cap off the top with a straight line. Now let's go in and add the hair bangs. Just above the left eye, underneath this hat brim, we're going to curve down and in. Stop right there. We're going to do a little notch, like an upside down V. And then we'll continue that curve going across and then up on the right side. Now let's add a little bit of texture. Along the bottom, we're going to draw a short angle line going up towards the center. We'll move over and again, aiming towards the middle. Now on the sides of the head, I want to add the two large curls. So we're going to start just underneath the hat brim. We curve in. It's almost like drawing a large circle. We go around. Now I'm going to go all the way up to the top. And then we're going to swirl this back around and then out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting up here, we're going to curve around and in, down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to pull this up towards the hat brim, down, and then we'll pull this out towards the right. Now directly in the center, just below the mouth, I'm going to draw a point for the chin. Now from the center point, I want to curve up and out towards the left underneath the curl. And then up underneath the curl. And then from the center, we'll go up towards the right. Now from these 2 points here, I want to draw two straight lines going up towards the top of the helmet. So I'm going to go straight up in the middle, and then on the right, we'll do the same thing, the same length. Now I'm going to cap off the top with a straight line. Now let's just draw the edge of the hat. So from these 2 points, I'm going to draw two angled lines going in. Now I'm going to follow these curves going up towards the center point. So starting on the left, we're going to curve in. I'm just going to pull that up. Now we're going to line up the right side and curve down and out towards the right. Now right here in between, I'm going to draw a straight line just to cap it off. And then from this point in the brim, I want to curve around the top of the helmet in towards this point, but I want to leave a little gap at the top here. So I'm going to start by going up. Now I'm going to pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to line this up on the right side. We're going to go out And then I'm going to pull that down towards the right. Now I'm going to add the large curly feather on the side of the helmet. So on this point here, I'm going to curve out, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to swirl this around on the inside. So going around, and then we'll pull that up. At the bottom of the swirl, we're going to curve and taper this down towards the bottom, towards the top of the helmet. Now I'm going to show a little bit of the hair in the back here. So on the left side, I'm just going to curve down and then up in behind the head. Okay, so now that we've got the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the shoulder cape first. So in the center here, just underneath the chin, I'm going to draw a circle. On the sides, I'm going to draw two angled lines going down and out. So on the left side, go out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to curve this down and up underneath the circle. Now let's add a wrinkle just beside the circle. Starting on the left, I'm just going to curve up and out. Now from here, I want to draw the musket in front of her body. So I'm going to have the left arm on top. So let's start with the left arm first. Starting from the outside, we're going to step in and draw an angled line coming down and then out. From here, I want to curve in towards the wrist. So coming down and then in. Now let's draw on the inside edge of the arm. So we're going to step in, leaving a little gap between the cape. Draw that same angled line coming down towards the elbow. Now from here I want to curve in towards the wrist. Now we're going to taper this slightly so it gets a little bit narrower as we come in towards the wrist. About halfway down the upper arm, from the left side, we're going to curve up and then down for the sleeve. Now let's draw on the hand. We're going to start with the thumb first. From the wrist, we're going to curve up. We're going to round out the thumb and then just pull that back down. Now the index finger is going to be pointed straight out. So from here we're going to come down at an angle, round out the finger, and then go back up. We're going to stack two fingers in behind. So we're going to step down, curve one finger, step down again, and now this is going to go all the way around towards the wrist. Now from here I'm going to layer the musket in behind the arm. So let's start about halfway along the forearm. I'm going to curve up and then in. Draw a short line going across. Now from here I want to draw a curve going over towards the front of the musket. So we're going to start by drawing a curve coming down. We'll go straight out towards the right. And then on the inside edge of the thumb, I'm going to curve around and then down. Now from here I want to go straight across to the same length as I have on the top, but we're going to leave a gap for the fingers. So I'm going to go across to right about here. Now I'm going to draw three ovals beside each other. Starting from this line, come down, up, and then down. We're going to draw two more. Now I'm going to carry this line in behind the fingers over towards the right to the same length as we have on top. Now we're going to cap this off with a straight line. Let's add the trigger right here. So in the side, we're going to curve down in behind the finger. We're going to draw that twice. Now we want to draw on the back of the gun. So I'm going to continue this curve going behind the arm and then up. So we'll continue back behind the elbow. Now I'm going to curve and round out the back, coming down. Now we're going to pull this in behind the arm. So curving up and then in. I want to add a little bit of wood grain to the musket. So starting on the left side, I'm just going to draw a wave that goes around behind the arm, go up, down, and then towards the front. We're going to do that again on the bottom. So we can create a curve that goes around from the thumb. Just draw a random line that goes to the front of the gun. Now let's add some detail to the front of the musket. From this point, I'm going to draw a short line going up. We'll go straight across, and then we're going to come straight down. We're going to draw that again. We're going to leave a little gap. So stepping over, draw one line, stepping over again, draw another line. Now we'll cap off the top. Now right at the corner here, we're going to go straight up, go across. Now I'm going to come down, not all the way to the bottom. We're going to come down to right about here, then go in behind the musket. Now from the top, so we're going to step down and draw a line in between. Now let's draw on the front of the musket. From this corner, we're going to step down, draw an angled line going up and out towards the right. At the bottom, we'll step up, angle down and out towards the right. We'll connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from the top, I'm going to go straight out towards the right, and then the same length line below, and then we'll just connect those 2 points with a straight line. On the right side here, I want to add the shoulder pad. So underneath the cape, we curve down and then out. I'm going to curve this in behind the cape. I want to leave a little overlap. So we're going to go up, pull that in, and then right at the bottom here, we're going to add a circle. Now we're going to tuck the side of the body in behind the gun. So from this point, we're going to step down, draw a straight line coming down. Now on the right side, we're going to line this up underneath the shoulder pad, come down, and then on the outside, we'll come down. Now just underneath the shoulder pad, I want to draw a curve for the sleeve. And then in the chest area, I'm just going to draw a curve from left to right, going up, and then back down. Now let's continue working down with the skirt. So we're going to line up with the side of the body underneath the hand, draw an angled line going out. We'll do the same thing on the right. So lining up with the side of the body, angle down, then out. Connect those 2 points with a curve. Now we're going to trace these 3 sides on the inside. Starting on the left, we'll come down with an angle. On the right, from the fingers, we'll come down. Now we'll connect those 2 points, just follow that same curve. And then on the corners, we're going to add 2 small circles. One on the left, and then one on the right. Now let's go in and tuck the legs in underneath the skirt. We're going to leave a gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to curve down and then out towards the left heel. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel to the toe, we're going to curve down and then up. And then we're going to round out the top of the foot, sort of aiming towards the heel, but we're not going to go all the way. We're going to go up, and we're just going to pull that down to right about there. We'll do the same thing on the right. I want to add a wrinkle at the top of the boot. So at the top of this curve, we're going to go up and then over. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from the top of this curve, we're going to go up underneath the skirt, to the side of the leg, leaving a little overlap on the outside. Do the same thing on the right. Now halfway down the leg, I'm going to draw another curve from left to right, coming down and then up just for the edge of the boot cuff. Now the final thing I want to do is add the cape in behind the body. So we're going to start from this corner. I'm going to draw a straight line coming down in behind the arm. It's going to continue underneath the gun. We're going to curve this down and then out. We'll do the same thing on the right. Starting from the sleeve, come down, in behind the gun, we'll curve down and then out. Now I'm going to connect these 2 points with a curve going in behind the legs. Starting on the left, curve down. On the right, we'll curve down and then in. And then right in between, we'll just close it off. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Musketeer from Clash Royale. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.